2024 has delivered some of the most jaw-dropping robots the world has ever seen. We're not talking about your average machines. These are robots that defy what we thought was possible. From robots that look and move like humans, to others that are taking over industries, the future is here. And it's more incredible than you could imagine. These machines aren't just tools. They're transforming the way we live, work, and interact with technology. What's even crazier? They're getting smarter, faster, and more capable every single day. Get ready to meet the top 5 most insane robots of 2024 that are pushing the boundaries of innovation. Whether it's a robot flipping burgers better than any chef, or one that can navigate complex environments like a human, these robots are game changers. If you think robots are just a thing of the distant future, think again, because the future has officially arrived. Stay tuned, you won't believe what these machines can do. Tesla Optimus first on the list is Tesla Optimus, a humanoid robot that's designed to perform everyday tasks just like a human. Unveiled by Tesla, Optimus is built to handle physical jobs that are repetitive, dangerous, or boring for humans. Imagine having a robot help with heavy lifting, factory work, or even basic house chores. Standing at about 5 feet 8 inches tall, this robot uses artificial intelligence, AI, to learn and adapt to its surroundings. What makes Optimus insane is its AI-driven brain and dexterous hands, which allow it to perform tasks with the precision of a human worker. It's not just a futuristic gadget, but Tesla plans to make it affordable enough to be used in homes and workplaces around the world. It's powered by Tesla's full self-driving technology, which means it can navigate and interact with objects in the real world without human intervention. With its sleek design, Optimus isn't just a piece of tech. It's a look into the future where robots assist us in our daily lives. Experts predict that as this robot evolves, it could revolutionize labor industries, taking on dangerous jobs in factories, or even helping during natural disasters. Agility Robotics Digit next on our list is Agility Robotics Digit, a 2-legged robot that's designed to move and work just like a human. What makes Digit special is its ability to walk on 2 legs, allowing it to handle tasks in environments made for people. It can carry packages, unload trucks. This flexibility makes it perfect for warehouses, delivery services, and other industries where human-like movement is needed. In 2024, Digit has become even more advanced, using cutting-edge AI to adapt to new tasks on the go. One of the most exciting things about Digit is that it's designed to work alongside humans, not replace them. Imagine a worker in a warehouse handing off a box to Digit, who then carries it across the floor without breaking a sweat. It's not just about heavy lifting, though. Digit can handle delicate tasks as well. With its combination of sensors and advanced computer vision, Digit can recognize objects and environments, helping it avoid obstacles and move smoothly. This ability to learn and improve makes it an ideal partner in various industries. Agility Robotics has pushed Digit to new heights with better performance and more intelligent decision-making capabilities. It's not just a walking robot anymore. It's a powerful assistant that can transform how industries like shipping. Digit's ability to integrate into human spaces without major changes to infrastructure shows just how advanced robotics technology has become. As companies continue to adopt robots like Digit, we'll see faster, more efficient operations, making tasks easier and safer for everyone involved. Boston Dynamics Stretch. Coming in at number 3 is Boston Dynamics Stretch, a robot designed specifically for moving boxes and organizing warehouses. Stretch has a long robotic arm that can pick up boxes of all shapes and sizes, making it an essential tool for large-scale warehouses. In a world where e-commerce is booming, Stretch plays a crucial role in helping companies keep up with demand by speeding up the packing and shipping process. What makes Stretch truly special is its advanced computer vision system, which allows it to see and identify boxes in real time. This technology helps Stretch move quickly and accurately, even in a cluttered environment. It can unload a truck full of boxes faster than a human ever could, and it does it without breaking a sweat. Stretch's efficiency means it can work around the clock, helping companies save time and money. One of the key reasons Stretch is so insane is because of its scalability. Whether it's a small warehouse or a giant distribution center, Stretch can be easily integrated into any setting. It's not just about speed, it's about consistency and reducing human error, making Stretch a game-changer in logistics and supply chains. Xiaomi cyberdog 2/4 on our list is the Xiaomi cyberdog 2, a robotic pet that's as futuristic as it sounds. This quadruped robot is packed with sensors, cameras, and advanced AI that allow it to move, interact, and even follow you around like a real dog. It's designed to mimic the behavior of pets, making it a fun yet functional gadget for tech enthusiasts and pet lovers alike. Cyberdog 2 isn't just a toy. It's a fully functional robot that can map its environment, avoid obstacles, and respond to voice commands. With 16 sensors on board, including touch, vision, and audio sensors, Cyberdog 2 can understand and adapt to its surroundings, providing a seamless interaction experience. Imagine a robot that follows you on walks, assists you at home, or even acts as a security robot. Xiaomi's Cyberdog 2 is pushing the boundaries of robotic mobility and intelligence. Sprint at high speeds and navigate tricky terrains makes it one of the most advanced quadruped robots available. As robots like Cyberdog become more advanced, we can expect them to become a part of everyday life, not just in homes, but in workplaces too. Moley Robotic Kitchen. One of the most groundbreaking robots of 2024 is the Moley Robotic Kitchen, the world's first fully automated kitchen system. This isn't just a simple cooking machine, it's a robot that can prepare, cook, and serve restaurant-quality meals at the touch of a button. With its advanced robotic arms, Moley can chop, stir. It's designed for home kitchens, giving people the chance to enjoy freshly made meals without lifting a finger. What sets Moley apart is its ability to replicate recipes from top chefs. You can choose from a growing library of recipes, and Moley will follow the instructions exactly, ensuring perfect results every time. It even cleans up after itself. The system uses a combination of motion capture technology and smart sensors to recreate the movements and techniques of real chefs. This means you can have gourmet meals on demand without worrying about cooking skills or prep time. In 2024, the Moley Robotic Kitchen has become even smarter, with improvements in speed, accuracy, and recipe variety. It's a perfect example of how robotics is transforming home life by making everyday tasks easier. Whether you're busy with work or just want to enjoy a hands-free cooking experience, Moley is leading the way for smart kitchens of the future. As more households adopt this technology, it's clear that cooking robots like Moley are changing how we think about food and convenience in the home. Outro, the world of robotics in 2024 is truly mind-blowing, and the 5 robots we just explored are proof of how fast technology is moving. The future is here, and it's more exciting than ever. This is just the beginning. There's no telling what other insane innovations are right around the corner. Now, we'd love to know what you think. Which robot blew your mind the most? Do you believe these robots will change our lives soon? Or are they still too futuristic? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. We're excited to hear what you think. Before you go, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more mind-blowing tech content. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video and click the notification bell so you never miss an update.